If you're a property manager, you may have heard of Resman, but is it the best software for your property management needs? Today we'll be diving deeper into Resman and offer an alternative. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, so let's hop into this comparison with an overview of Resman. Resman is a property management solution that specializes in multifamily and affordable housing. When it comes to property management software, there are many factors to help you decide if it's the right decision for you. Some of the most important factors include features, pricing, customer service, and ease of use, which we will use to compare Resman and DoorLoop. Starting with the features of these two softwares. Resman's features include online payments, accounting, lead management, a residential portal, and CRM solutions. DoorLoop's features include a full accounting suite that can also sync with QuickBooks and run custom reports, automatic payments with many payment options, including credit card, ACH, Cash App, and Chime, a tenant portal to centralize communications and send reminders, an owner portal to keep your owners in the loop with custom reports and printing checks, marketing and leasing tools that syndicates your listings to many sites, including Zillow, HotPads, Trulia, Apartments.com, and more. Then you can run checks on your applicants and e-sign the leases all on the same platform. Maintenance tracking, where you can manage tenant requests, track work orders, and pay vendors all in one place so you never miss a thing. A mobile app, and so much more. If DoorLoop's features sound like they'll level up your property management business, then click the link up here or down in the description. All of that sounds great, but what about the pricing? Resman's pricing is based on what kind of properties you have. There's a conventional plan and an affordable housing plan. Both plans have 3 tiers: the Start, Scale, and Thrive. They also offer add-ons, but unfortunately their actual pricing is not listed on their website, so you'll have to contact them. DoorLoop starts at just $49 per month for up to 20 units. You can even get a free demo to explore the software yourself, so click the link in the description for your free demo. Customer service can be a huge factor when choosing the perfect solution. The best way to get a real report on customer service is to read real reviews on sites such as Capterra. DoorLoop is a great solution if customer service is a priority for you. Users report having an incredibly easy time getting a hold of support quickly. In addition, with DoorLoop, you speak with real live human beings who will help you with your support requests. Ease of use can also be determined by reading real reviews on sites such as Capterra or going through a demo yourself. This is another one of DoorLoop's strengths. In fact, it won an award for it. Users report DoorLoop's dashboard being incredibly easy to navigate, the software itself lightning fast, the accounting tools and other features being structured in a way that makes it incredibly easy to find whatever you need. If you want to see for yourself how easy DoorLoop is to use, then just get a free demo right now with the link in the description. So now that you know more details about Resman and DoorLoop, it's time for you to make your decision. The best software is going to be what meets your business needs, and only you can decide that. But if you think that DoorLoop is the right fit for you, then once again, click the link up here or down below, and you'll even get a special discount on the software for watching this video. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for some property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!